Now, the worst hit state, Maharashtra, has extended its lockdown until the 31st of May as COVID-19 cases in the state have crossed the 30,000 mark, with over 1,100 people dying from the disease. A total of 1,606 new cases and 67 deaths were reported in the state in just the last 24 hours, making it the highest ever death toll in a single day. Out of the 1,606 cases, 884 new cases were reported in Mumbai alone. Mumbai reported 41 deaths in 24 hours, making it the highest death toll in the financial capital in just a single day. With this jump now, Mumbai coronavirus cases stand at 18,555 and a total of 696 deaths reported. Dharavi remains a big concern for authorities as the COVID figures is Asia's biggest slum. In Asia's biggest slum there rose to 1,198 and the death toll stands at 53. As of now, over 7,000 patients have been cured of the virus and around 3,30,000 people are under home quarantine. Sahil Joshi joining us for more details. Sahil, we're looking at Maharashtra extending the lockdown until the 31st of May. Of course, it's quite understood the spike in cases has prompted the government to push the lockdown further. What is the situation on ground? Are we looking at the entire state remaining on a complete lockdown, or will things ease up in non-containment zones?
See, Nabila, right now the government notification clearly says that the lockdown 4.0 will continue till 31st of May with the same guidelines which were there for the lockdown 3.0. So nothing has changed, at least in Maharashtra at this point of time, which is basically that in red zones like Mumbai, Pune, everything is shut other than the essential services. The things were as it is. Because of the large number of containment zone, even the private cabs, auto rickshaws, the local trains are not working. The barber shops, the liquor shops, standalone shops are not allowed to be open. Only the shops which were providing the essential services have been allowed to keep open. For the rest of the staff, there are the BST buses or the private vehicles who have been given passes for the providers of the essential service are being allowed to function on the roads. Whereas in the other parts of the Maharashtra, where the number of cases are less or at no cases, which are known as a green zones or the orange zones, have been allowed to function with minimum capacity of the workers, especially in the industrial areas. So they have been allowed to open the industries, they have been allowed to open the factories. But if in lockdown 4.0, nothing has changed right now in Maharashtra, as you have just read out the number of cases, the way the number of cases are rising, not only in the rest of Maharashtra, but specifically in Mumbai, the cases have almost reached to 20,000 cases. So, that is something which the Maharashtra government worries. And looking at the sheer number, the government had decided that there will not be any relaxation at this point of time. But yes, they will wait for the central guidelines to come in. On the basis of that, they will relook at the situation, because specifically in Mumbai, they have started changing some definitions. Like, say, for an example, if there is a particular building in which the COVID positive case has been found, then it will not be known as a containment zone, whereas it will be known as a sealed building, because it's easier to keep it sealed, to ask the people living in building not to venture out. But whereas if the case comes out from a highly dense populated area, then of course it becomes difficult. So those will be the containment zone, whereas these places will be only known as sealed buildings. So there are some changes which they are planning to make on the basis of what the central guidelines come. The Maharashtra government is likely to issue some fresh guidelines with respect to lockdown 4.0, but otherwise nothing changes in Maharashtra at this point of time, looking at the number of cases and the notification which the government has
clearly the spike is worrisome. We're looking at the lockdown being extended till the 31st of May. One should hold patience and see what happens after that. Non-containment zones might have some relaxations in terms of non-essential supplies being delivered, but otherwise lockdown will remain in Maharashtra until the 31st. Thank you very much for joining us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.